channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Elizabeth Joy. In this video, I'm going to be putting together 12 super easy Y2K inspired hairstyles for you. And these are all hairstyles that work on curly hair. I'm doing this all on unwashed hair that's a couple days old and stretched out, so it has a lot of volume, but you can do it on your hair like really in any state. And if your hair is a different curly texture than mine, you can still do these hairstyles as well. Each of these hairstyles is super easy for summer. These are great looks for going to the pool, going to the barbecue, you know, wherever. This style that I have on now is all the way at the end, so keep watching if you want to see it. I will also link any hair products that I use in my description, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the styling.
Style number one is super simple. I just took this huge jumbo barrette and slicked some of my hair back and clipped it, then fluffed everything back out, and boom, you're done. Hairstyle in 5 minutes. Style number two, I took a fun scrunchie and I'm just pulling the hair back into a ponytail. If I was gonna wear this all day, I might comb it down to slick it as well, but this is also just a super easy everyday look for you guys. For this next style, you just take your rat tail comb and I'm parting my hair all the way down the middle, all the way down to the nape of my neck. I'm taking 2 little hair ties and kind of doing a little loose, low pigtail. I actually saw this style on the Disney Channel when I was doing my research a lot, so that's super easy. Now for hairstyle number 4, just to switch it up, we are going to take some of our bangs and put them back with this little butterfly style clip. Mine don't have the actual butterfly, but it's the same idea. I'm just leaving one little curly bang in front, and here you have it. For this next hairstyle, I'm taking these butterfly style clips. Again, mine don't have actual butterflies, but it's the same idea. And I am going ahead and parting out my hair and then just doing a little twist in the front. Then I am grabbing another section and twisting it again, and then adding another clip to it. And then after I have these 2 clips in place, I am just fluffing the hair out just to bring some of the volume back. Now I am going to repeat that same process on the other side of my head. And I love this look because it's so easy, but it just looks so cute, you know? Then I'm gonna take my little edge brush and just some Eco Gel, and I'm just gonna lay those baby hairs a little bit because, I don't know, I just feel like the hairstyle looks a little bit more completed with the baby hairs laid down instead of just all over the place. Giving Lizzie McGuire, but with curly hair. For this next look, I am again twisting the front strands of my hair and putting a little butterfly clip in it. You could also braid the hair instead of twisting it if you wanted to do a little bit more. That would be cute. I just wanted to keep it easy and simple for this video. And then instead of taking more hair and adding to it, I'm literally just doing a new section with this next twist. Had a little tangle. And doing this again, obviously just to both sides. We're gonna keep everything symmetrical for this look here. And then I am just doing a third one on either side. And if I was wearing this all day too, I'd probably spend a little bit more time parting it perfectly, but I'm literally only wearing all of these hairstyles for 5 minutes before I film the next one. So, you know. After I have the same thing on both sides, I go ahead and fluff my hair out for the finished look here. For this next one, I am taking little scrunchies. I happen to have these really bright colored ones, which I think add a little bit more of a Y2K 90s touch, but you don't have to use the colored ones, that's just me. And then I'm taking just little pieces from the front of my hair and putting them into like little ponytails. And this is it, that's the look. I think this is super cute, I wear this all the time. For my next hairstyle, I am just taking it a bit further. I am grabbing some more hair and adding another little ponytail. And then I'm adding another one. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing again on the other side of my hair. And here's this look with the two ponytails on the side. Now we're doing a third look with these base of these two neon yellow ponytails. For this one, I'm taking all the rest of the hair that is on that side of my head now and putting it into another pony. And then I'm actually just gonna keep going down with that pony with however many hair ties you need, depending on how long your hair is. This was pretty good for my size of hair. Then I am fluffing out all of the little sections in between the ponies just to make it look more like balloons. And then I'm just repeating the process on the other side of my head. You can also do this look on wet hair and let it dry this way. I actually think this is really cute.
Hair like doesn't even have any curl left from all these styles, but let's keep going.
Then I am taking some fun color barrettes. You can do like whatever colors you want. I ended up just clipping my hair out of the way for a second because it just makes it a little bit easier, and then I smoothed down the bangs a little bit more. And then I literally just started placing these hair clips just kind of randomly. And then I will take my hair out and fluff it. And this is such a Y2K vibe, you guys. If you know, you know.
I love this. This is so cute. And I love that it takes 5 minutes.
For the next look, we're just taking a ponytail holder. And again, I am just taking the hair back and turning it into a ponytail. I didn't slick it down again just for the sake of this video, but I would probably gel it down and slick it before I wear this in real life. You could also turn this into a sleek bun instead of just the ponytail. And I think this would look so cute as like a low sleek bun, or you could even add some hair on to make it into a longer pony. So for the next look we've got coming up, we are going to be parting our hair in the middle again. We love a good middle part. And then I'm just pulling out my bangs, or I don't know, I have a hard time determining what is technically my bangs at this point. Yeah, I struggled a little bit, but now that we got the bangs out of the way, I'm just clipping my hair back for the time being so that way I can really focus on my bangs. And I am just actually taking them and creating 2-strand twists with them really quick. You can also do it with braids. I have done the same exact style with a little braid before, but I just felt like doing the twist because it's faster and it's easier. And so I'm just doing that on both sides. And then I happen to have like these really bright colored hair ties. That's what I'm using just to keep the Y2K vibes coming. But again, like I've done this and literally not even put a hair tie in it before, but I just think that the hair tie adds a fun little touch to this style. Then I am just fluffing out my natural hair, and that's it. I actually love this look. I'm obsessed. So we are already on to look number 11, and I'm just taking this rat tail comb and continuing my middle part all the way down the back of my head. And then I'm just taking a ponytail holder and putting this hair up into, instead of the low pony this time, we're gonna go with a high one. Again, if I was keeping this hairstyle in all day, I would definitely gel this down and probably use a brush to make sure that everything is really sleek. But you also don't have to do that. Just because that's what I would do doesn't mean that you have to do that. And then I'm just repeating it onto the other side. And then we just have this super cute 2 ponytail look. Okay, for the last look, we are actually taking our little ponytails and I am just twisting the hair into like a giant loose 2-strand twist and then creating a little bun with it because we're doing space buns. This is the style you saw in the intro. And then I am just repeating this again on the other side just for a easy yet really cute little vibe, little look.
And that's a wrap. I hope you guys like these hairstyles. Go ahead in the comments and rate all the hairstyles. Let me know if you guys try these out. I want to see how they look. I try to keep it super easy and super simple for you guys, but still have fun. And yeah, if you want to see more hairstyling videos too, let me know. Yeah, bye besties.